In this video, I will show you how to connect Revolut to Apple Pay. So you'll learn how to add your Revolut card to your Apple Pay wallet so you can pay with a virtual card or even a physical card anywhere. To do this, what you want to do is first open up the Revolut app and then click on the cards icon in the top right. Now here select the card that you want to add to Apple Pay. It can be any of these, so just go and click on it. You will then see this. Click on Add to Apple Wallet at the bottom of the screen. It then takes you right here, so it says Add Card to Apple Pay. Simply click Continue. Then it will be adding the card, so wait for this to finish up. And then it will show you the terms and conditions. Read this, and if you agree, click Agree. So from there, it will show this check mark once it's done adding the card. You can then choose to add it to other devices if you have other devices, or you can just skip this step, but you may not even get this step. You can then choose to set it as your default card in your wallet if you would like to. I'll click Not Now. And now when you double click your on and off button, you can then select your Revolut card right here, and I can now hold this near any payment terminal, and it would then use this card, and it will use my Revolut balance to actually pay for whatever I am paying for. So that's how you can connect Revolut to Apple Pay. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.